fuel-efficient 32 mpg highway/22 mpg city. LS trim, champagne silver metallic exterior and JET black interior onboard communication system, CD player, aluminum wheels, head airbag, flex fuel, iPod MP3 input, satellite radio. Key features include flex fuel, satellite radio, iPod MP3 input, CD player, onboard communication system MP3 player, keyless entry, child safety locks, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control. LS with champagne silver metallic exterior and JET black interior features a 4-cylinder engine with 182 horsepower at 6,700 RPMs. Experts are saying. CarReview.com's reviews says the big kid in the compact segment, parsimonious 4-cylinder engine, spacious rear seat, techno goodies, solid fuel-grade gas mileage, 32 mpg highway. All prices includes all applicable rebates and incentives to qualified buyers including customer cash, USAA members, private offers and owner loyalty programs, and must finance through GMAC. Horsepower calculations based on trim, engine configuration, fuel economy calculations based on original manufacturer data. For trim engine configuration, please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.